We are going to talk about segment addition today, and then there will be one more concept in 3.3, which are midpoints. But this is the last thing I want to talk about today. It is going to introduce geometric proofs, okay, which you do need to be able to manipulate. We'll start with easy and basic stuff, but what we're going to start with is going to be based on segment addition. Right, so segment addition is a postulate, and that means that we're not going to prove its existence. We're just going to make the assumption that it's true. And because it's a postulate, it applies specifically to geometry and is based on the constructions or geometric figures there. And what the segment addition postulate states is this. It states that the sum of the parts is equal to the whole. And so if you take a segment AC with a point somewhere on it in between those two endpoints, the sum of the parts, AB and BC, add up to the whole thing, AC. And so this is your equation form of the segment addition postulate. Anytime we refer to this, the way that we'll refer to it will be segment addition. That's the abbreviation I'll use. If you see that, that's referencing the entire concept of segment addition postulate. And now, embedded within this definition, or in this reasoning that the sum of the parts is equal to the whole, is the concept that if you are looking for an individual part, each individual part is equal to the whole minus the other part. And so there's two other ways to express segment addition postulate, not just the sum of the two parts is equal to the whole. If we were identifying a single part, AB, then the part AB is going to equal the whole thing, AC, minus the other part, BC. So this is an alternate form of writing segment addition postulate. And so is finding the last piece, the other individual part, BC, is equal to the whole thing AC minus the other part, AB. So all three of these are all justifications by segment addition. Segment addition, segment addition. Now, the reason these cause confusion as far as that's concerned is, are there any plus symbols in either of these equations? No. However, it's still referred to as segment addition. And there's no such thing as segment subtraction postulate. Okay? Some of you are going to mark that, okay, but there's no such thing. All of those are forms of segment addition.